after a fun-filled week, an adventurous one, getting ready for a huge life event in our lives. Today we are off on another glorious adventure. We are going to a venue that Mason has been to before, but today he's getting to do it with a twist.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
The nice thing about coming out into nature is that as much as a lot of it can be similar, there's always a little something that's different, and it can be the temperature, the sun, and all the little critters that can run by. So something about nature is always giving me peace and quiet. It can be something to where when you're home, you're comfortable in your sofa, or you're like, should I get going? Maybe not maybe, but when you do, it's always really rewarding. So I love coming out into nature, and I hope you feel the same.
Wait till you're dry. I have to do this just to make sure I don't trip over a root, okay? I gotta do this because the rocks.
You think?
Body of water. Body of water. Gator might live in there. Or snake. Snakes. Hey, what up?
Blisters.
Or
And-
rashes.
Yeah, exactly. And they will itch real bad. I'm going to throw that away so nobody else picks that up.
No.
But the way to identify it is that you see the leaves to the sides. It almost looks like a mitten. I don't know.
This is okay. Start back to home.
Do you know what it is? It starts with an A. R. M. So, yes.
Oh,
Yep. So they almost look like piglet, right?
Yeah.
And they also go and, scurry around looking for little roots and little bugs so that they can munch on.
That's its tracks.
Something in here, yeah.
Okay, that's its tracks right there.
And then you got they've gone with their little noses and their little front paws, and they're digging, looking for grubs, little worms. Not a wild swine. It's something that used to be domesticated but got wild because back in the days when the Spaniards came over, 1500, it is a lichen. And a lichen is actually a combination of a fungus and algae. And what they are doing is they live in a symbiotic relationship. Symbiosis is when one gets help from the other and vice versa. It's not that one only takes it. Then if only was one taking from the other, it would be called a parasitic relationship. But this is where they actually benefit from each other. They all have nests.
Wait.
So this plant, see if there's a little loose piece.
Here.
Oh, that's a good one too. So now it's pretty moist. It's really springy, soft.
Do they use that for crafts or like air plant Yeah.
I think actually it has a lot of uses. People who do model, like little model landscapes, can use it for making trees and bushes and whatnot. And of course, in state parks, everything is protected. For our legs to hold balance.
A Christmas tree.
Yeah, so this is a Christmas wreath lichen. And then usually you see it like roundish with a red outside and a bit of a gray middle. So this is another type of lichen. So yeah, so like we saw, reindeer moss is a lichen. This is another lichen. Mosses are different than lichens, but a lot of the names that we give plants is because something we think it is something, and then it becomes popular to name it that. But so the reindeer moss, actually reindeer lichen.
Although this snake is found in a number of habits, it prefers dry sandhill regions. Its diet includes rabbits, squirrels, ferns, and birds.
Yeah, so the eastern diamondback is, of course, our most venomous snake. This is called Caesar weed.
Caesar weed?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's a type of weed.
Yeah, the thing about weeds is that that's really just a plant that you don't want. If you want it, it's a plant, and then if you don't want it, it's a weed. Mama, you're gonna have to clean the shoes.
Whoops.
Don't be digging extra. Mister. Did Mason use the chair
Uh-huh.
in the sand?
It sounds okay.
You'll find out.
You're gonna have to dig.
Yeah, turn around.
It's gonna be like, I'll never listen to Mary again.
Pay attention to your balance, okay? That's pretty cool. You're getting it.
That's the full effect of the chair, okay?
Wow. I mean, it's
It's like a blanket.
like a blanket. Oh.
See?
About your arms hurt.
Wave! Hey! Look, Mason!
So subscribe, click the notification button, make sure you miss all of our videos, share, and give us a big thumbs up. Come in here. Come on. Oh yeah. Do a thumbs up. Do a thumbs up. Peace, love, and respect. Bye. Wait.
It's pretty, isn't it?